The suit of wands governs the realm of energy, ambition, creativity, inspiration, and the spark of life that propels action forward. Associated with the element of fire, wands represent movement, initiative, transformation, courage, and the dynamic forces that shape experience before they solidify into results. While cups navigate emotion, swords explore intellect, and pentacles deal with material reality, wands focus on drive, desire, and the energetic flow behind decisions and projects. They map the journey from impulse to mastery, highlighting the raw power of intention and the lessons learned through effort, risk, and innovation. The Ace of Wands is the seed of action. It is the first flicker of initiative. The inspiration that surges before form is defined. This card signals new beginnings in creative endeavors, business ventures, personal growth, or spiritual exploration. The ace represents potential energy, an idea or vision that demands to be expressed. Its promise is limitless, but it requires courage to take the first step. The Two of Wands expands that initial spark into planning and consideration. Here, ambition meets foresight. The card represents the early stages of decision-making where options are weighed, paths visualized, and strategy begins to form. It is not yet action in full motion, but a measured contemplation of possibilities. The Two of Wands asks for clarity of vision and confidence in foresight. The Three of Wands marks the stage of active expansion. Efforts have been initiated, risks taken, and progress is becoming visible. This card represents growth, opportunity, and the outward manifestation of initial plans. It also signals the necessity of patience, as results may not be immediate but require monitoring, adjustment, and persistence. The Three of Wands encourages long-term perspective in pursuit of goals. The Four of Wands celebrates stability and achievement. It reflects the successful establishment of a foundation in work, relationships, or personal projects. Often connected with milestones, community, or domestic harmony, this card embodies the joy of accomplishment and shared celebration. It indicates a sense of security in progress, though it also reminds that celebration is part of sustaining momentum rather than finality. The Five of Wands confronts conflict and competition. Here, energy is scattered, goals clash, and friction arises. This card represents challenge, rivalry, or differing perspectives that provoke tension. The Five of Wands is not about personal defeat. It illustrates the necessary struggle of asserting oneself, learning adaptability, and negotiating space in dynamic environments. Conflict here can spark growth if approached strategically. The Six of Wands signifies recognition and public achievement. It reflects success earned through effort, leadership, and visible competence. This card embodies confidence, acknowledgement, and the reward of perseverance. It warns against pride and complacency but celebrates the triumph of focused energy and the social reinforcement of accomplishment. The Seven of Wands illustrates perseverance under pressure. It represents defense of position, conviction, and resilience against obstacles. This card is about standing firm in the face of challenge, asserting oneself when threatened, and maintaining integrity despite opposition. The Seven of Wands teaches courage, stamina, and the strategic use of energy to hold ground. The Eight of Wands depicts rapid action and movement. It symbolizes acceleration, progress, communication, and swift shifts in circumstances. Unlike the steady growth of earlier wands, the Eight brings speed and momentum that can be exhilarating or destabilizing. It calls for attentiveness, decisiveness, and flexibility to navigate quick developments effectively. The Nine of Wands represents endurance and vigilance. It signals that challenges have been met, lessons learned, and persistence is now critical. The card embodies resilience, caution, and preparedness. It acknowledges fatigue but emphasizes the strength gained from prior trials. The Nine of Wands warns against recklessness while affirming the capacity to overcome further obstacles. The Ten of Wands portrays burden and responsibility. It represents effort extended to the point of strain, obligations accumulated, and the weight of leadership or duty. This card reminds that ambition without balance can become oppressive. It encourages delegation, prioritization, and reflection on the sustainability of current endeavors. The Page of Wands introduces youthful enthusiasm and curiosity. This card reflects exploration, eagerness to experiment, and the initial spark of adventure. The page brings messages of opportunity, inspiration, or guidance in creative and energetic pursuits. While sometimes naive, it embodies openness and readiness to learn. The Knight of Wands embodies daring action and boldness. This card represents movement, pursuit of goals, courage, and charisma. The Knight is fearless, energetic, and confident in action, often embracing risk in the pursuit of vision. However, impulsiveness and inconsistency can accompany his energy, demanding careful discernment in channeling enthusiasm productively. The Queen of Wands represents mastery of personal energy and influence. She embodies confidence, leadership, creativity, and warmth. This card reflects determination, magnetism, and the ability to inspire others through action. The Queen of Wands is independent yet collaborative, assertive yet flexible, demonstrating how courage and creativity can be balanced with empathy and strategy. The King of Wands represents authority in action and vision. He governs with decisiveness, leadership, and strategic foresight. This card embodies entrepreneurial skill, ambition realized, and the ability to motivate collective effort. The King of Wands channels energy efficiently, taking calculated risks, making transformative decisions, and inspiring those around him. He teaches that vision without execution is empty, and power without integrity is fleeting. The Suit of Wands as a whole traces the arc of energy, ambition, creativity, and personal drive. It moves from spark to planning, action, mastery, and the eventual exercise of authority. Wands challenge the seeker to harness potential, navigate obstacles, and act with courage and purpose. They ask, what fires are driving your life? Are they directed with skill, tempered with awareness, and sustained through resilience? When wands dominate a reading, the focus is on movement, motivation, creativity, and the practical manifestation of will in the world. Wands map not just success, but the inner temperaments required for achievement: initiative, courage, focus, adaptability, endurance, and vision. They illuminate the human drive to create, transform, and assert presence in the physical and social environment. In their full cycle, wands teach the balance between inspiration and discipline, risk and foresight, passion and patience, showing that fire, when properly tended, becomes light and warmth rather than uncontrolled destruction. This suit is a mirror to ambition, showing how ideas, energy, and desire can become tangible reality through effort, vision, and disciplined action. It emphasizes that personal power is a tool, creativity is fuel, and life itself is the arena where one's will is tested, refined, and realized. Wands call attention to the human capacity to shape circumstances, to forge progress from initiative, and to honor the transformative potential of directed energy. Energy untested becomes chaos, energy directed becomes mastery. The Suit of Wands is the study of how fire within the self ignites growth, action, and transformation, demanding courage, integrity, and the continuous cultivation of vision. It teaches that life's most potent lessons are learned not in stillness but in movement, risk, creation, and the pursuit of goals that reflect the deepest spark within.